Gold traded throughout the day yesterday. We have asked to buy 2036, expect 4042 as the resistance here. It tried to breach the levels, but failing to do so again has seen a little drop. At the same time, on the downside, 2025 levels proven out to be good support. Now, what to expect from gold today? How we can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Let's start first to look into the hourly chart. Towards the end of this update, I'll give you the trading levels, so do watch till the end. And yes, if you have not become the channel member yet, do join the channel memberships and support the effort and get the additional perks. And yes, please press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment as well. Let's start. See, first on the hourly chart, sharper drop here again, forming a good support here. You can find out it has seen a retracement. Now after the retracement and achieving higher highs, it is seen another drop. But look at the support levels, 2025 26 proven out to be a very good support. Double bottom levels, since then it has retraced and it is trading within the zone 2028.32. 28.32 again a very good support zone, and it is precisely trading within the zone. Moving averages here are trading with divergence and bearishness. And look, first bearish candle, I will wait if at all it shows a second bearish candle here. That should be the confirmation of further drop towards 2025 levels. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is trading with modest divergence and bearishness, RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour chart, look at 2 hour charts, see the rise here, retracement. Then this is retracement here, because see the drop was sharper, the rise is smaller. But look at the candle, the next follow-up candle is very small, and it has failed to break past the lows here. This suggests that it is trying to trade with modest bullish bias. Now we have to be watchful. If the prices stays above 2033-36 zone, we can expect it to turn bullish again. Stochastic rising, MACD is still trading with little divergence and bullishness, RSI flat. On the 3-hour charts, candle has opened flat, since then traded bearish. It has achieved higher lows here. It is trying to trade in this. We have to wait for it to break below 2025-24 levels in order to confirm further drop. As long as 24-25 is respected, do not treat gold as bearish. Now see, on the upside as well, it has got its resistance intact at 35-36 and then 40-42. Thus, for the day, we can buy here at 33 levels and expect 35-36 rather to be a first support resistance, then 40-42 as the next resistance. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD is trading with modest divergence and bullishness, double bottom, and it is rising here. RSI is flat. On the 4-hour, now on the 4-hour chart, similarly, if you connect it here, you will find higher lows, higher highs. Preceding candle was a swing candle with a bigger body, and this candle has just started. Also remember what has happened here on the 4-hour chart. See, moving averages have crossed over almost after 2 months of staying in the bullish zone. This is a bearish. Next observation here is, see, if you notice this, consistently higher highs, lower lows are getting created. Where are the highs of this? Around 2050 levels, which is going to be a next and strongest resistance. Beyond this, you can confirm that gold is reversing, and we will look forward to higher highs here. Yes, it is still trading in this bearish channel. This is a retracement channel after a strong rise, forming a good flag, and once it breaks out on the upside, it is going to show a stronger momentum. Right now, no signs of it. Look, 20 period moving average sitting at around 2035 is also a good resistance. Stochastic at bottom, double bottom here, and if it crosses over, certainly the bulls will take over. The MACD, look at MACD trading with very little divergence. It is almost turning flat here. After the drop, it is formed double bottom. It is crossed over here. A divergence here can, or couple of greener candles from here, will definitely suggest that the prices are willing to reverse. RSI flat. Coming to the daily chart, we look into the daily charts, and I give you the trading levels. And if you want to learn this art of trading, enroll in the 28th mentorship batch commencing in 3rd week of January. Do not miss this opportunity. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you identify the right trends. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram, or visit the platform forexfunda.com, where you will get the details of the batch. All your queries related to the batch are answered there. You will also get economic calendar with live data releases, the charts with advanced tools, and yes, you have a forum to share your knowledge with and gain the knowledge from the fellow traders. And yes, you can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance, and this call is completely free if you're part of our webinar series. Do enroll for the services and enjoy the profits. Also, for signals channel, hit me up on Telegram or email. Now, see, on the daily charts, first of all, the preceding candle was a swing candle. It has got its resistance intact from the 20 period moving average. This candle has started on the rise, but on the downside it is still getting a very good support. Thus, we have to wait for it to break below 2024 levels. And remember, 50 period moving average could be a good support, but below 2024 is where little bearishness can be expected, where we can expect prices to move towards 2018 and 2014 levels. Yes, below 2024 is where slight bearishness. Still, I will say that as long as 2014, 2015 is not taken in gold today or any point of time this week, we can expect a major bounce back in gold. Be watchful of this, and it can be from any levels in between, or rather as long as it stays above 2014 levels. That is the first point. Second point here is, see, it is right now trading in zone, it is giving higher lows. Now, if it stays above 2028, as long as it stays above 2028, the possibility of a reversal will be very, very high. How high it can fly? We have to wait for it to break beyond again 20, 40, 42 and then 45, 47. Any point of time, any break below 20, 45, 47, treat that gold has reversed and a stronger move is awaited. Stochastic almost near to bottom. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. It is just trying to cool down the MACD here. It is trading at certainly higher levels here. RSI is looking down as well. Considering this, for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 2034 levels. After 2034, we can expect 2038.42 as the first resistance zone. Very, very strong resistance exists there. If it stays above 42, you can look forward to 45, 47 as the next targets, and beyond 47, its sky is the limit. On the upside, we can look forward to 40, 54, 55 and then 60 levels. On the downside, a possible selling entry can be taken here at around 2024, 25 levels. If you are selling at 2024, 2018, 2020 is the first resistance, 2014, 2015 is the next resistance or support levels here. Only below 2014, we can say that now the bears are back. As long as gold stays between the zone, we have to be extremely watchful, cautious and alert. It has shown us swings yesterday. It can show the swings as today as well. However, remember, the tail on the downside was smaller and the wick was bigger. Thus, you have to wait for it to give a breakout below 2020 levels in order to confirm the bearishness here. Take your trades accordingly. See you again before the US session. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join the mentorship batch, signals channel and webinar series. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.